Okay, I like the install. I'm not sure how they pulled this one off, to be honest with you, because I believe this is a finished residential area above here. You've got your sliding door, your window right here, and they've got this mounted without a back box, which means the cable's coming in directly from the back of this camera from the inside. And I'm thinking they've got finished floors top and bottom, so without looking at it, I don't know how they pulled this off, but it looks good to me. I give it an A. Okay, so now we've got an office environment. We've got drop tile ceiling here. Everyone loves drop tile ceiling because it's easy to work with. It's easy to throw cables. You just throw cables up above the drop tile there. You make a hole in the drop tile and you anchor your camera to it. I've had a few people say, how do you anchor to drop tile? If anyone's worked with it, it breaks easy, it's soft. There's not a lot of good anchors for it, but I will tell you the secret that I've done for the last 15 years, and I use drywall anchors, and that's the self-screwing anchors that you punch into drywall and then you turn with a screwdriver and they tap their way in. They'll work perfectly, and they tap their way into ceiling tile very snugly. Here's the one warning with it. They go in great, they hold the camera tight, but if you have to bring them out, the whole anchor comes with it when you unscrew it. So that's the one drawback to it. If you're going to do it right, do it the first time, and it'll last forever. Give that an A. Okay. And again, this is more with I'm going to zoom in here because I really like what they did with this. Again, very professional installation. I like the way they use the architecture of the building. So they came along and they used the Schedule 40 PVC pipe. They mounted to 4 squares. I like the way they stubbed down and they put this camera here. Now, why did they do that? It's because this camera is watching the dock. This camera is watching them back in and out. This camera has one job and one job only. It's the entry port. So you've got your mobile access here, your doorbell here, you've got your card reader here, but they got a camera just to cover this area here so they know exactly who's coming and going. This is a good example of the golden rule. One job, one camera. You can't have 2 cameras doing one thing. If you tried to get this camera to cover this as well as the docks, it won't do it. You'll end up disappointed with the whole thing. This is the proper way to lay out cameras. That's an A. Okay. You know, they did everything right. The only thing, the gray does match the siding. That's good. But it would have looked cleaner if you'd have used the white mounting box that's made for this Pro 90D right here. But A for effort and quality, because it's protected from, the connections are protected from the weather, they're protected from tampering, and they did mount to the blank cover on the 4 square, which is exactly what you should do. So that is a really good install. It just would look prettier with the right mount. And they still need to take the plastic off the night vision system on the camera. Other than that, good to go. Let's call that one, let's call it a B.